DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Evoque. It's a 2.2 diesel, absolutely stunning grey condition. It's grey colour, privacy glass, sun protection, upgraded alloy wheels, park distance control with camera. It's in lovely condition. Boot area's been well looked after. Got the luggage cover there, parcel shelf, full leather interior, electric memory seats, heated seats. It's done 85,701 miles. Meridian sound system. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got a comprehensive service history and had a recent new clutch and flywheel. That's always good, because it's not if they'll go, it's when they'll go. You've got satellite navigation on the car, so the reverse camera there, audio, heated seats, climate control, different driving styles, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. So it really is good specification. Like I say, drives absolutely spot on. Comprehensive service history, just been MOT'd, had a recent clutch and flywheel as well, and the cam belt's been done. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.